Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novel Syahrul.
My name is Muhammad Syafiq Akbar.
And we are from Fatih Bilingual School, Banda Aceh. In this video, we are going to present our research, which is
moss as a substitute, the main substance in deodorant.
Let's watch the video.
So, this is the place where we get the moss sample. By taking the moss from here, we can take advantage of this moss for something useful rather than leaving them there. With this, we can also control the population of the moss.
So the moss that we got from the river is clean from the dirt, the dead leaves, and other substance or particles or stuff. Then we wash the moss with flowing water so that the dirt can wash away and other organisms. So after we wash the moss, we dry it under the sun for about 2 to 5 hours. And this is the result of the drying process. After we dry the moss, we then smooth it again with a blender so that the particle and substance inside the moss can be easily extracted during the extraction process. So now we are going to do the extraction process of the moss. The extraction process is done by using the radial alembic method. This method was chosen because the equipment that is needed is easily found inside the household, laboratorium, and school. The materials are steam pot, stove, moss, and ice. So the first thing that we need to do is that we fill this pot with water from the faucet. This is enough to do the extraction process. Then we put the pot into the stove, which then we put in the moss into the pot. We then put a beaker inside of the pot to act as the container which contains the extraction. Then we use this lid, which we had modified the middle so it would be a closed system, and we put it into the pot. Then put ice on top of the lid to act as a So we have done the extraction process for about 15 to 45 minutes. As we can see, this is the extraction product that we got from the moss extract. But these products still have a high water concentration. To decrease the water concentration, we are about to use the evaporation method to decrease the water concentration, so the phenol concentration will be much bigger than the water concentration. So this is the evaporation method, which is using an electric stove and water. So what we do is we have the moss extract here, which we are going to put here for the evaporation method. The temperature of the water is kept between 70 degrees Celsius to 99 degrees Celsius, so the phenol wouldn't be destroyed in the evaporation method. So the water here is to heat up the extract so that the water particle can evaporate and leaving the phenol extract inside this small beaker. As we can see, the evaporation process has just finished, so we evaporate the moss extract for about 15 minutes and we let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. So as we can see that the water has evaporated and leaving the phenol and some amount of water.
So we are here at microbiology lab at Syah Kuala University to test our moss extract to the Staphylococcus aureus bacteria.
This bacteria was chosen because it is commonly found in the human body, specifically in the skin, nose, and the armpit. The application is done by 3 phases. The first phase is the preparation of the inoculum. In this phase, we produce the bacteria by using an overnight culture. An overnight culture is the colony that has been grown overnight. This bacteria colony is then dissolved into sterile NaCl. The density of the bacteria is measured using a spectrophotometer with a wavelength of 625 nanometer and an absorbance of 0.08 to 0.1 to get a bacteria density of 1 to 2 times 10 to the power of 8 colony forming unit. The second phase is the bacteria inoculation test. This phase we use a MHA, which is a Mueller-Hilton agar media, which is the place for the bacteria to reproduce. The bacteria inside of the sterile NaCl is taken using a sterile cotton swab and is inoculated into the MHA media in a 60-degree angle. This is then inoculated again for multiple of times. After we inoculate the bacteria, we let it stay for about 3 to 10 minutes in room temperature. Final phase is the inhibitory test of the moss extract. In this phase, we take 2 empty discs and place it into a sterile place. We then put the moss extract into one of the empty discs using moss extract. We then place both of the discs into the MHA media and place it into the incubator for about 18 to 24 hours at about a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius.
As we can see, this moss extract can inhibit the growth of bacteria due to the substance in the moss. From the petri dish, we can see that there is a clear zone around the dish that have the moss extract. The clear zone that is recent is about 7 mm. This proves that the substance can inhibit the growth of bacteria.
So this is just a short presentation of our project. If you want to see more,
Come to ISPO on 22 until 24 February 2019.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.